What is up, life agents? It's Pete Fournier coming at you for a minute to talk about motivating factors in this business. Now, a lot of agents that I train or that I just speak to on a daily basis tell me that they're not motivated about the process. Maybe they went 0 for 20 in the field this week, or they thought that a big deal was going to close and then the person told them to go screw off. Whatever the case may be, right? They're just not motivated. Motivation is so fictitious in this business. Like, you can be motivated to buy a watch or buy a car or support your family, or whatever your why is, right, is essentially your motivation. But realistically, the only people that are not motivated selling life insurance is the people with no activity. If you're busy 24/7, 365, and I mean busy, not fake busy, where you get up at like noon, you work for 2 hours, you go in the field for one appointment, then you come home, you're like, wow, that was such a long day. That's bullshit busy, right? And then you spend the rest of your time on Instagram and Facebook. If you set yourself up for 6, 7, 8, 9 hours a day, whether it be phoning or out in the field, you will never not have motivation, because you're going to be too busy to think about being unmotivated. So if you're in this situation right now, you had a small slump, you got a month-long slump, you've been shitty for a year, whatever the case may be, okay? Go get yourself activity, and that will motivate you for the rest of the year. We got a couple working days left, okay? So go out and kill it. That's it for today. I'm Pete Fournier, and that's the Daily Tip.